Welcome! If you want to use one-hand mode in your ULEFONE Power 3S, for the first you have to go for your settings. Right now let's scroll down and then just tap on the one-hand mode. So right now it's activated right here. If you don't have this marker, you have to click right here, right, it's turn it on, and as you can see there's the preview. So we have to slide from the left or the right side of the phone to enter this one-hand mode. So let's try it, and as you can see we are here. If you want to get it on the left side, just click on this arrow, and right now we are able to reach all of the arena on your screen with one hand. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.